All aboard! All aboard!
This is the Lagos Hope Ship, the world's largest floating book fair, which is currently on the shores of Ghana. I visited for the first time and took a tour of the inside. So the crew comprises of 60 different nationalities who serve in various capacities like nurses, doctors, media personnel, tour guides, teachers, engineers, and so on. Entry costs 15 cedis and you are given an orientation for the book fair. We opted for a tour of the entire ship and that costs 80 cedis per person. Upon paying, you are provided a visitor's tag and a tour guide. After a briefing, the tour starts with a short video that shows an overview of the ship. Next, we head out to the balcony. We see emergency boats and a clearer view of the Tema Harbour. The crew carries out several sea procedures from this side of the ship. Next, we head to the wheelhouse where the ship captains navigate the ship. You'll be given binoculars and a uniform, which is so cool. We continue back into the middle deck to learn more about what Lagos Hope Ship is about, their philanthropy work, and how donations power their work. Next, we head down lower deck to explore the theater where concerts and musicals take place. This tour lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes and some selected parts of the ship are restricted and out of bounds to visitors. So far, the Lagos ship has received about 18,000 visitors from Accra alone and is currently in Accra for the next 2 weeks. Have you visited the Lagos Hope ship yet? Do you think this tour was worth it? Let me know in the comment section.